Hi, I'm Miss Trevino and I'm here with Sierra, and today we're going to be learning about portions. Do you know what portions are?
It means splitting in half.
Good, that's one of the ways. It's halves, yeah, cutting it in halves. Today we're going to learn about three different kind of portions, okay? So I have Skittles and I wanted to see if you can help me portion those out. Yes, great. So I did this little chart for you here. These are the three we're going to be learning today. It's halves, fourths, and eighths, okay? So let me give you the Skittles, and I want you to help me portion these out, okay? So here's 16 Skittles, and can you portion these in halves for me? Four, five, six, seven, eight. Good job. So just to double check that we have them in halves, I said I gave you 16, right? So half of 16 is
8.
great. Good job. I'm just gonna check it for you, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. That means this side has 8 as well. So we got 16. Good job, Sierra. So can you help me portion these out into fourths? And portioning out means that each one has equal, okay? Each piece is equal, so each one's going to have the same. So right now each one has 3. You're almost there. Good job. So again, just to check yourself, every time you can get used to doing this, just to double check, okay? So we have 16 and you're gonna cut it into 4 pieces. Each one is gonna have 4 pieces. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. I see 4 here. Another 4 and 4 more. That makes our 16. Good job, Sierra. So this one, it looks a little bit bigger, but since it's more pieces, the pieces are smaller, right? Compared to this big halves. So we have 8s here. Last one, can you help me cut these 16 into 8? Good job. Eight of them. We'll go around again. These Skittles look yummy already, don't they? Good job. So 16 cut into 8 pieces is only going to give you 2 pieces each, just like you did. Perfect. Good job. So we got these down. You did real good, Sierra. And thank you so much for helping me portion these out. So let's get rid of these Skittles. And I'm going to show you something here, okay? So I'm going to take this back. Okay. So I made this anchor chart. Since you said you didn't know about portions, this should look fairly relative to you, right? So this is just what we did right now. We have halves, fourths, and eighths, just like you did. This is just a different way of looking at it. So this is halves, 2 pieces. Fourths, there's going to be 4 pieces, and eighths, and we have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and again, portions is dividing into equal parts, just like we just did. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here that I have 16 pennies, and now I'm gonna do just what you did, just to give you an example. Okay, so I have 16 pennies and I need to cut them into halves. So I'm gonna go by twos. Okay, you know how to count by twos? Okay, here's two of them. 2, 4, 6, 8. But I still have 8 in my hand. So we're gonna make the other piece, okay? 2, 4, 4, 6, and 8. And I have 2 equal pieces that both have 8 pieces. Okay, I'm gonna do the same here with the forks, okay? And this one I'm gonna do by ones, okay? 4 equal pieces. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm gonna double check myself like I told you, okay? 4 pieces and they all have the same because you saw me do it by ones. So we're gonna count what we have on one piece, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one of those has 4, which makes 16. Okay, it's always double checking yourself. So here we have the 8, okay? And I'm gonna do this one on this side, just to switch it up a little bit, okay? And I'm gonna do it by twos again, okay? So here's 2,
2, 4,
4,
6,
6, 8. Good job for sounding them out with me. 10,
10, 12,
12,
14,
14, last 2, 16. And that's all 8 pieces gets 2. See how that works? So you're getting the hang of it a little bit? Good job. Okay, so since you're already getting the hang of it, I'm gonna show you a different way that we're gonna learn how to do this, okay? And it's gonna be more simple. It's actually, this one's gonna be just about the same. Actually, let's do it this way. Since we already did this one, I'm gonna give you this one back, and you're gonna do them on this side, but this time with M&Ms, okay? The next one will be a lot different and more fun probably, but it doesn't include candies. So I'm gonna count by twos, okay? I can do it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so you got 16 M&Ms. We're gonna do the same thing. You've already done it once. We're gonna do it on the square side instead of the pie charts, okay? So go ahead. Show me, let's start with the 8s first. You gonna do it by ones? I'll count with you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. Now that's half of it. Let's go double, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, one more, 16, 16. So each one got
3.
No.
6.
No, look at what you did. There's 8 pieces. Each one got how many? No. There's 8 pieces. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But each one has
2.
Good job. Let's move on to the other way. Now that you've already done this once with Skittles, I know you know how to play with candy, right? So let's go on to the next one. Okay, Sierra. So with this one, I'm gonna give you a blank sheet of paper, and I want to see, can you portion this paper in halves? So we're gonna open it, and we got 2 equal pieces, right? Great. So can you portion this into 4ths? Yeah, they gotta be equal pieces. Good job. And again, checking our work like I said earlier. To 4ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have 4 equal pieces. Good job, Sierra. Last one, can you cut this paper, fold this paper into 8?
Take this. Oh, yeah.
We can check. We'll check if you got 8 equal pieces here, okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. You see that? That was pretty simple, right? Doesn't include no candy, so it's not that fun. But we got one that I'm pretty sure you're used to. We got flashcards. I'm gonna show you some flashcards, and I just want to see if you know what they are. All you gotta do is just tell me if it's halves, 4ths, 8s. Okay?
4.
Good job, Sierra.
6.
Good job.
8.
Good job.
3rd.
Good job.
Halves.
Perfect. That was it. You did it. Now let's eat some candies, right?